Bestul, and I like to build and learn how to play medieval and Viking Age instruments. I've been a history nut my whole life and a musician for most of it, so it just seemed kind of like a natural thing to get into, and I never planned on anybody else being interested in it. It was a hobby of mine, and now I'm super happy that other people are interested in it. This is a Cruth. It's an Old English fiddle, or Welsh fiddle actually is the origins. It's spelled C-R-W-T-H because a W is a vowel in Welsh. And this is like a little bit after the Viking Age, but there would have been some crossover in that time. So. Then we have jaw harp. These have been found throughout human history all over the place.